Hello, my name is Justin, member of the U.S. Weather Watch YouTube channel here. We are deep diving into Thursday's possible severe weather event in the northeastern United States. It's not very common where we see severe weather events like these in the northeastern U.S. A Day 3 enhanced for me isn't usually the best case scenario as it can be upgraded. The SPC in their discussion mentioned this. Residents in Ohio and Pennsylvania should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions. Violent wind gusts are possible and a strong tornado or two is possible. Let's get that out of the way and look at a sounding in Pennsylvania. This doesn't really look promising. This looks like a classic non-severe stratiform rain setup, possibly with embedded elevated convection if there's a mid-level shortwave or warm advection aloft. The strong shear is wasted on a capped, stable profile unless some synoptic lift breaks through. I'm a bit puzzled why the SPC put an enhanced risk over the area. Moving on to Day 4, 15%.
This is NOAA Weather Radio KI 835 in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, operating on 162.55 megahertz with a tower output of 1,000 watts on a transmitter located on the WQED tower, with broadcasting originating from the National Weather Service in Moon Township, Pennsylvania. The current time is 12:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 45, effective until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Westmoreland, Fayette, Washington, Beaver, and the following counties in West Virginia: Marshall, Ohio, Brooke, Hancock, and the following counties in Ohio: Columbiana. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video, and we are breaking down the moderate risk placed for portions of Pennsylvania, much of Ohio, some portions of West Virginia, Kentucky, and a small portion of Michigan. The main hazard is tornadoes and wind. If we look at the tornado risk, there is a 15% chance for a significant tornado which is EF2 or higher. As of right now, the Storm Prediction Center has already issued a tornado watch that includes Pennsylvania, Ohio, and West Virginia. Let's see the STP, or significant tornado parameter. It is at a 4 STP. I wonder if the 15% tornado risk placed for today was even warranted at all, because the main threat is wind. Let's look at the future cast. 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, you can see a QLCS in west central Ohio, and some supercells forming east of that QLCS. Seems like these storms are pretty discrete. 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the QLCS grows larger and becomes stronger. Won't be surprised if there are gusts higher than 75 miles per hour. Then if we look east of the QLCS, tornadic supercells are obviously there. And oh my god, wow, look at the cell that has a clear hook. Won't be surprised there will be a pretty strong tornado, possibly EF3+. This model right now only goes to 2 p.m., so this is what we have right now, but at the end of the hour it goes to 3 p.m. and we will see what it gives us. Tomorrow, more severe weather expected.
Statement from NWSPBZ. NOAA Weather Radio all hazard stations will not follow the regular broadcast cycle due to a potentially dangerous tornado outbreak today. When the threat of severe weather diminishes, regular broadcasting will resume. The National Weather Service has issued The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail was located over Meadowlands, or 19 miles southwest of Pittsburgh, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail has been reported by law enforcement. This thunderstorm is capable of producing all types of severe weather, including destructive straight-line winds, funnel clouds, and possibly a tornado. Move quickly to a safe shelter such as an interior room, a bathroom, closet, or basement. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. A tornado watch is in effect for southwestern Pennsylvania and extreme northern West Virginia until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Washington, and Allegheny.
What the fuck is that shit? Ain't no way that shit trying to drop. Bro, what the fuck, it actually dropped. Bro, I swear to God, if this thing becomes larger. Oh Lord. I literally called it. Oh my God, that shit bigger than my d.
On the ground. So, for those who are just tuning in, we are covering an extremely dangerous tornado outbreak which has just started. A tornado is currently on the ground in Wolfdale, which according to some spotters it is a wedge. Let's see what we have in West. Hold up, we have reports of a large and extremely dangerous tornado on the ground. Let's see where. In Emporium, small town in Cameron County, currently is warned. It says the National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a tornado warning for central Cameron County and north central Pennsylvania until blah blah blah. It is observed tornado. Yeah, this does not look good. Residents in the town of Emporium should take cover now. Let's go to West Virginia and, oh my God. PDS tornado warning. Particularly dangerous situation tornado warning is something you don't want to see. Emporium is right on it. Man, this does not look good. Confirmed wedge on the ground moving east. Unfortunately, there has been a car crash on Highway 46. Lots of traffic, which is extremely dangerous, especially when there is a tornado on the ground. If you are in a highway, please don't go under a overpass. Instead, go to a ditch and cover your head with your hands. Some people are already calling this outbreak a bust. Remember, just because maybe an event starts late, it isn't a bust. People, the outbreak just started and we've already had numerous tornado reports, a ton of wind and hail reports. Not just tornadoes, wind is also a threat. There was actually a 91-mile-per-hour wind gust reported in Canton, Ohio just 30 minutes ago.
Hey, I'm taking shelter right now. There's a huge tornado coming towards me. Tell my mom I love her. Yeah, that's it. Goodbye.
tornado emergency for the city of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for central Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was observed over Mount Lebanon Township, or 5 miles south of Pittsburgh, moving north at 65 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for the city of Pittsburgh. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: law enforcement confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see
Words cannot express how insane this tornado outbreak was. While it underperformed, it still made an impact. Numerous communities were hit by intense tornadoes in 3 states.
Minor in charge.